Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about Indian postal orders and field postal orders. Indian postal orders, there are 8 numbers are denominated IPOs are there. You may see here 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, and 20, 50, and 100 denominated IPOs are there. There are total 8 number of various denominator IPOs are now at present is available in Indian postal offices, and with effect from 19/1/2015, the IPOs with the following denomination such as 1, 2, 5, and 7 are withdrawn. Is that issue is stopped, but till the stock available in post office, it can be sold at counter. So now we may see the commission details of IPOs. For IPO still ₹10 denomination, commission is ₹1, and for 20 rupees denominated IPO, commission is ₹2, and for 50 rupees denominated IPO, commission is ₹5, and for 100 denominated IPO, commission is ₹10. Okay. Then we may see some important factors later that is connected to IPO. Okay, such as a period of validation. See, the IPOs are valid and can be paid till 24 months from the last date of month of issue. It can be paid under second commission in the form of stamp affixed at back of IPOs for the period about 24 months till 36 months. After 36 months, the IPOs are time barred and cannot make payment. To make up the breakage of amount needed, postage stamp can be affixed in IPO in the space provided, and in such scenario, not more than 4 number of stamps can be affixed, and the amount for which the stamp affixed should not exceed ₹3. Clearly, you please note that no more than 4 number of stamps can be affixed, and the stamp affixed should not exceed ₹3. Okay, the above provision is not available for 100 rupees denominated IPO. Okay, in IPO, the IPO can be repaid to the purchaser till 24 months and above the 36 months by obtaining second commission. The IPO can be made available at counters of post offices as account payable through crossed lines as same as crossed checks. In such a case, the amount realized through IPO should be credited into the account of the payee. The IPOs can be presented in any post office in the city if the payment of office is not mentioned in IPO. An example is given here. You may any city name, if only city name is prescribed in IPO, then it can be paid at any post office. If the city have more than one delivery, more than one post office, then the IPO can be presented at any post office for effecting payment. If IPO bearing particular name of the post office with or a post office with specified with the pin code, then the IPO should be paid only in the post office mentioned. For example, you may prescribe if some city post office HO is mentioned, then the payment should be effected only at the concerned HO. If IPO is crossed, then it must be paid in the post office where the payee holds account with the post office. Okay. Then we may now discuss about field postal orders. Field postal orders are mainly issued for serving the purpose of army personnel, and the denominations for in which FPOs are available are 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. Again 2000, 3000, 5000, 10,000, 15,000 and 20,000. The maximum available denomination in field postal order is rupees 20,000. Okay, and again the commission structure is for 2,000 is rupees 30, 3,000 is rupees 30, 5,000 is rupees 50, 10,000 is rupees 60, 15,000 is rupees 80, 20,000 is rupees 90. And validity period for field postal order is different from validity period for normal postal order, that is Indian postal order. You see here the validity period for Indian postal order is 24 till 36 months. It can be paid with after 24 months till 36 months. The normal Indian postal order can be paid with the aid of second commission. Only after 36 months the validity period will be expired. But in field postal order, without second commission, the payment can be done only till 4 months. See here, till 4 months only from the last date of issue. From the last date of issue month, the payment can be made only till 4 months without commission. After that, after 4 months, you see here, after 4 months till 6 months, the second commission may be obtained and the payment can be effected. After 6 months, the field postal orders are time barred and cannot be make payment. These are some important points related to field postal orders and postal orders. Okay friends, thank you. We may see something in next video.